Hello students, all of you welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. So today I am going to give 7 problems in solution chapter. By already I have given 7 problems in the previous round. Now once again I will give the new 7 questions in this chapter. Okay, today only I am going to give only questions for this. Okay, the next day only I am going to give the solution for these 7 questions. Understood? Now let us see the first question. Okay, so all the formulas you keep in mind. That's all the formulas. Okay, mostly the formula. If you know the formula, you can easily solve the sums. So, okay, nearly 10 formulas are there. So, all the formulas keep in mind. Okay, right. So, see the first question. H2S gas, nothing but hydrogen sulfate gas, is a toxic gas used in qualitative analysis if solubility of H2S in water at STP is 0.195 molality. What is the value of KH? You know, Henry's constant. KH means what? Henry's constant. We have a small formula for that. Okay, if you put this formula, you can get the answers very easily. Understood? Right. Next one. If 2 gram of NaOH is present in 200 ml of its solution, its molarity will be. That's a question. So molarity, we have one formula for that. Number of moles of solid by volume of the solution in liters. So if you apply this formula, we can get these answers. Among the 4 options, it will be any one. Option A 0.25, option B 0.5, option C 5, option D 10. Understood? So apply the molarity. We have one formula for that. Next one. Third one. Which of the following 0.10 molarity aqueous solutions will have the lowest freezing point? Option A Al2SO4 thrice, option B C6H12O6, option C KCl, option D C12H22O11. Okay. So among this, you have to find out which one having lowest freezing point. Okay. Fourth question, a solutions containing 10 gram per decimeter cube of urea, in bracket, molecular mass is 60 gram per mole, is isotonic with 5% solutions of non-volatile solute. The molecular mass of this non-volatile solute is dash. Okay. Option A 300 gram per mole, option B 350 gram per mole, option C 200 gram per mole, option D 250 gram per mole. Understood? Then fifth one, a solutions containing 1.8 gram of a compound in which it has empirical formula, CH2O. Okay, in 40 gram of water is observed to freeze at minus 0.465 degrees Celsius. The molecular formula of the compound is dash. That's the question. Okay, the Kf value is given. Okay, freezing point constant 1.86 kilogram Kelvin per mole. Okay. Option A C2H4O2, option B C3H6O3, option C C4H8O4, option D C6H12O6. Okay. Here also we have one formula for freezing point, depression of freezing point formula. So you apply this, you can get. Okay. Usually molecular mass only they'll ask, but in this question somewhat different one. Molecular formula they are asking. Okay, so molecular mass only we have one formula for that. Molecular formula we have this formula in 11th standard. Okay, so they are comparing. You must know the 11th standard topic also. In NEET examination we have both 11th and 12th. No, understood? Okay, sixth one, 20 gram of a substance were dissolved in 500 ml of water, and the osmotic pressure of the solution was found to be 600 millimeter of mercury at 15 degrees Celsius. The molecular weight of the substance is A 998, B 1028, C 1098, D 1198. Okay. Seventh one, 6.02 into 10 power 20 molecules of a urea are present in 100 ml of its solution. The concentration of urea solution is option A 0.02 molarity, option B 0.01 molarity, option C 0.001 molarity, option D 0.1 molarity. Understood? So these are the 7 questions. So just go through. Okay. The next day I will give the solution for this solution chapter. Understood? Okay. Thank you, students.